Hello everyone, this is my second video in Python beginner series. Today we will look at Python operators, and especially in this video we will look at arithmetic operators and relational operators, and in the coming videos we will look at the other ones. So before coming to arithmetic operators, let us know what are operators. So in Python, operators are basically some special symbols that are used for performing specific operations. For example, if we start by arithmetic operators, so arithmetic operators are used for performing simple arithmetic operations. For example, plus, minus, multiply, divide, and etc. and etc. So in Python, we have plus operator, minus operator, and asterisk operator for multiplication, and a division operator for division, modulus operator for modulus of two numbers, and double asterisk operator for raising a number to some power, and double division operator or floor operator or floor division operator for doing floor division of two numbers. So now let us have a look at them one by one. So for adding two number, we use plus operator. So it is quite simple. For example, 5 plus 3. So it will give us 8. Or we can write 3.1 plus 4. So similarly, for subtracting two numbers, we can use minus operator. Minus operator can be used in this way. 5 minus 1 will give us 4. So for the simple ones, I will go through them quickly. Similarly, for multiplying two numbers, we use 5 into 4 or 5 asterisk 4. That is, this will give us 20. Similarly, if we have to multiply 6 by 4, so we can write 6 asterisk 4. So this is a thing to remember, that in Python we use asterisk to multiply two numbers. Now coming to the division operator, for dividing two numbers we use forward slash. So 5 forward slash 1, oh sorry, 4 means that we are dividing 5 by 4. So it will give us 1.25. Now coming to double division operator or floor division operator. So if we write 5 floor division 4, so this is giving us 1. So now let us just focus at what is the internal working. So basically the floor division or the double division actually gives us the integral part of the coefficient that we get on dividing a number. For example, if we divide 5 by 4, so we get 1.25 as quotient. So if we do 5 floor division 4, so we will get 1 as the modulus, oh sorry, 1 as the answer, because the integral part of the quotient when we divide 5 by 4 is 1. If we look at another example, that is 4 double modulus 2, so it will gives us 2, which is the quotient that we get when we divide 4 by 2. Now coming to the modulus operator. So what modulus operator does is that it returns the remainder when we divide two numbers. For example, if I divide, for example, if I write 5 or 5 modulus 1, or let us have a nice example 3. So it will give us 2, because we know that when we divide 5 by 3, so it will give the remainder as 2. If we look at another example, 6 modulus 2, now it is giving us 0. Why? Because as we know that 6 is completely divisible by 2, so it will give remainder as 0. Now coming to the last operator, that is double asterisk operator, which is used to raise a number to some power. So if we have to write in Python 2 raised to the power 3, so we can simply write 2 double asterisk 3. So it will give us 8. If we have to write 3 raised to power 2, so it is simple one. We can simply do is 3 double asterisk 2. That is 9. So this is the it is about the Python arithmetic operators. Now coming to Python relational operators. So basically Python relational operators are used to uh, compare two numbers. For example, if two numbers are greater than or equal to, or whether they are less than or not. So let us just learn by having some examples. So in Python, we have relational operators as less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. If we have to say that two numbers are equal, we can do in Python like this by using double equal to operator, and not equal to relational operator. Now let us have a look at them one by one. One thing I want to mention that this relational operator return only two values, that is true and false. For example, if I write 5 is less than 8, so we know that this is a true statement, so it will give us true. So from here we can see that how we have compared 5 and 8, and it has given us true, that if we have write 5 less than 8, it is saying that it is a true statement. Similarly, we can do 3 less than 1. Now this is a wrong statement as 3 is greater than 1, so it will give us false. So pretty simple one. Now coming to greater than relational operator. So similarly, as the less than equal to operator, it will return true if we write number on the left hand side will be greater than the number that we write on the right hand side. Otherwise, it will return false. For example, if I write 6 greater than 1, so that is a true statement. So it will return as true. And if I write 5 greater than 5, so it will give us false because that is not true. 5 as 5 is equal to 5. Now coming to the less than equal to and greater than equal to operators. So the less than equal to and greater than equal to operators are, if we look at less than equal to. So less than equal to Python relational operator will return true if the number written on the left hand side is less than the number written on the right hand side, or both of them are equal. Otherwise, it will return false. For example, if we write 5 less than equal to 5, so it will return as true. Why? Because as 5 is not less than 5, but it is equal to 5, so it will return as true. So if we do something like 5 less than equal to 1, here we can see it will return as false because 5 is not less than 1 nor it is equal to 1. So it will return as false. Let us have another example for better understanding. 3 less than equal to 5. Now, lot of you have guessed it already that it will return true as 3 is less than 5, although it is not equal to true. Oh, sorry, although it is not equal to 5. So let us repeat it. Let me repeat it again. Less than equal to operator will return true if the number written on left hand side, that is in this case is 3, is less than the number written on right hand side, that is in this case is 5, or both of them are equal. In this case 3 is less than 5, so it will return true. Similarly, you can play with greater than equal to, so I'm not going to discuss it separately. Now coming to the double equal to operator. So if we want to say in Python 5 is equal to 5, or so 5 is equal to 5. So most of you think that we will write this, in this way. So let me tell you that we cannot use single equal to sign for comparing two numbers, or saying that these two numbers are equal, because in Python the single equal to basically is assignment operator. That is, it is used to assign values to variables. For example, if we write x is equals to 5, so what it will do, it will assign 5 value to x. Now if we say something like 5 equals 5, so here we can see Python will show an error. So if we want to say in Python that this number is equal to this, or whether want to know that two numbers are equal or not, so we can simply like write this 5 equal to 5. Here we can see it is returning as true as 5 is equal to 5. If we write 5 double equals 4, so it will return false because 5 is not equal to 4. Pretty straightforward. Now, similarly, we have the last relational operator that is not equal to. So in Python, if we want to say that some value is not equal to some value, so we can write is as follows: 5, uh, 5 not equal to. Make sure we do not give space between exclamation mark and equal to sign. So 5 not equal to 4. So it will return us true as 5 is not equal to 4. If we write something like 5 not equals 5, so most of you have already guessed that it will return as false. So I think I will end the video here. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, like and comment. And so I will see you in the next video.